Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Sara Asher Tua Geronimo is a Filipino singer and actress. Known for her musical versatility and performances, she is a recipient of numerous accolades including a Billboard Women in Music Award, an Mnet Asian Music Award, an MTV Europe Music Award, a Classic Rock Roll of Honor Award, and a World Music Award. Tatler magazine named her one of the most influential people in Asia in 2021. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Si Sara Asher Tua Geronimo ay ipinanganak noong July 25, 1988 sa Santa Cruz, Manila. Ang ikatlo sa apat na anak ni Divina at Delphin Geronimo. Ang kanyang ama ay nagtrabaho sa isang kumpanya ng telekomunikasyon habang ang kanyang ina ay isang negosyante na nagpatakbo ng isang negosyo sa Santa Cruz, Manila. During her early years, her family was in debt. Nagsimula siyang kumanta sa edad na 2 and has performed in various singing competitions as a child. Geronimo first gained recognition after winning the television talent show Star for a Night. She signed a recording contract with Viva Records and released her debut album Pop Star, A Dream Come True in 2003. Her next releases includes Sweet 16 in 2004 and Becoming in 2006. Geronimo made her film debut in the 2003 drama film Filipinas, where she played the role of a daughter to Richard Gomez's character who was left behind when her father migrated to the United States. Lumaki si Geronimo na nakikinig at sumasayaw sa musika ni Michael Jackson. Pinangalanan niya si Regine Velasquez bilang kanyang huwaran na nagsasaad na ipinaunawa ni Velasquez sa kanya ang halaga ng pagsusumikap sa pagtataguyod ng karera sa musika. Binanggit din niya si Michael Jackson bilang kanyang pangunahing impluwensya na binanggit na lumaki siyang kumanta at sumasayaw sa kanyang musika. Hinahangaan din ni Geronimo sina Sharon Cuneta at Lea Salonga at mahilig magtanghal ng mga kanta ni Celine Dion. Geronimo's music is generally pop but has also incorporated R&B and EDM into her material. Recognized for her musical versatility and performances, several media outlets have described her as the country's pop star royalty and was also classified as a triple threat entertainer. Si Geronimo ay isang born-again Christian. Siya ay nag-aral sa mataas na paaralan ng Universidad ng Santo Tomas. Matapos lumipat ang kanyang pamilya mula sa Santa Cruz, Maynila, patungong Quezon City, she was homeschooled until she finished high school at the Angelicum College in 2007. Siya rin ay mayroong degree ng Associate in Arts mula sa University of the Philippines Open University. Nakilala ni Geronimo ang aktor na si Matteo Godicelli noong 2009 at nagkatrabaho sila sa pelikulang Catch Me, I'm in Love in 2011. Kinukumpirma ni Geronimo noong 2014 sa isang panayam sa talk show na Aquino and Abunda Tonight na sila ay nasa isang relasyon mula noong 2013. Noong November 7, 2019, inihayag nila ang kanilang engagement at ikinasal sa isang pribadong seremonya na ginanap sa Taguig noong sumunod na taon. Kasalukuyan, silang naninirahan sa Makati. Throughout her career, Geronimo has received many accolades and honors, including 16 Awit Awards, 6 Aliw Awards, 14 Star Awards, and 28 Mixed Music Awards. She was also honored as the Best Asian Artist at the Mnet Asian Music Awards in 2012, the MTV Europe Music Awards for Best Southeast Asian Act in 2014, Best-Selling Filipino Artist at the World Music Awards, and Best Asian Performer at the 2016 Classic Rock Roll of Honor Awards. Geronimo was also nominated for the Best Asian Performer at the 2013 Kids' Choice Awards and was nominated for the Best Female Artist, Best Live Act, and Entertainer of the Year at the World Music Awards in 2013, as well as for the Best Southeast Asian Act at the 2013 MTV Europe Music Awards. Geronimo was also a recipient of the FAMAS Awards Golden Artist in 2009. In 2024, she was honored with the Global Force Award during the Billboard Women in Music event in YouTube Theater in Los Angeles, California, the first for a Filipino artist. In December 2009, Geronimo received a star on the Philippines Walk of Fame. In 2014, she was named Yes Magazine's Most Beautiful Star. Forbes Asia listed her among the 100 digital stars in 2020. In 2013, the National Commissions for Culture and the Arts recognized her as an ambassador for music. In 2021, Tatler named her as one of the most influential people in Asia and was also recognized as one of Asia's leaders of tomorrow in the publication's annual Gen T list. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Shannon Alder, every woman that finally figured out her worth has picked up her suitcases of pride and boarded a flight to freedom, which landed in the Valley of Chains.